Air Carrier Liability Insurance ATJAU is insurance required by the Indonesian government for all airlines operating in Indonesia. This insurance aims to provide compensation to passengers, goods senders and third parties for losses resulting from aircraft accidents. ATJAU is regulated in Minister of Transportation Regulation No. 77 of 2011, concerning responsibilities of air transport carriers. Air Carrier Liability Insurance ATJAU is insurance required by law for airlines to protect passengers and shippers in the event of an accident or loss. ATJAU provides a guarantee of compensation for 1. Airplane accidents resulting in death or injury to passengers. 2. Loss or damage to baggage. 3. Flight delays. 4. Responsibility to third parties, passengers, freight forwarders or third parties who wish to submit an ATJAU claim can directly contact the airline where they purchased the ticket or handed over the item. The airline will then forward the claim to the insurance company concerned. The following are some of the documents required to submit an ATJAU claim. 1. ATJAU claim form. 2. Airplane tickets. 3. Police report for accident cases. 4. Doctor's certificate for injury cases. 5. Proof of loss or damage to baggage. 6. ATJAU claim settlement process. The ATJAU claim settlement process usually takes around 14 working days. However, in some cases, the process can take longer depending on the complexity of the case. ATJAU premiums are calculated based on several factors, including 1. Type of aircraft. 2. Aircraft capacity. 3. Flight route. 4. Airline accident history. ATJAU premiums are usually paid by airlines to insurance companies. However, there are several airlines that charge ATJAU fees to passengers. ATJAU is an important guarantee for passengers, freight forwarders and third parties who use aviation services. ATJAU can provide compensation for losses incurred as a result of aircraft accidents, so that it can help ease the financial burden on victims. This insurance covers costs such as 1. Passenger death or injury. 2. Loss or damage to baggage. 3. Flight delays. 4. Flight cancellation. ATJAU is governed by the Montreal Convention, which is an international agreement that regulates the liability of airlines for accidents and losses that occur during international flights. The Montreal Convention sets minimum limits on airline liability, but airlines may choose to purchase additional insurance to provide greater protection. In Indonesia, ATJAU is regulated by Minister of Transportation Regulation No. 77 of 2011, concerning responsibilities of air transport carriers. This regulation requires airlines to have ATJAU with a minimum limit as follows. 1. Passenger death or injury. IDR 1,250,000,000 per passenger. 2. Loss or damage to baggage. IDR 400,000 per kilogram. 3. Flight delays. IDR 300,000 per passenger per 6 hours delay. 4. Flight cancellation. IDR 500,000 per passenger. Passengers and shippers can submit ATJAU claims to airlines if they experience losses covered by the policy. The airline will then submit a claim to the insurance company.